Yo, hi guys. Wow, I am in total disbelief, and my heart is really sore for the news. Finding out about I would say a friend of mine, Warwick Stock, that passed away. Or I wouldn't say passed away, was gunned down, brutally gunned down in Johannesburg today. Yo, and I had the privilege to interview him not too long ago, and yo man, like just a genuine guy, and the amount of kindness that he showed to me in that brief interaction that we had probably like a month ago, when the interview was done. And I didn't say this, and in the week I was actually just thinking about it. He paid for my Uber from the airport to Stellenbosch to my home. And like, for some people that might not be a lot, it might not mean a lot, but it went a long way, and it meant a lot. And it just showed me the person he is, the heart he has, man. And I really think he really wanted the best for us as South Africans, as a country. And I know just by the way he spoke and the passion he had for South Africa, that he loves our country. Warwick, to your family, your condolences, and your rest in peace, brother, man. You will surely be missed.